Holy cow. Right off the bat. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. Number 3. Holy cow. Look at that. Right there. Check out that fatty. Welcome back, adventurers. Well. Okay, guys. I'm out here. As you can see, there's no fishing today. I'm checking tracks because we have bobcats that come through. And those are big enough for a bobcat. But somebody else has been walking through here. Anyway, definitely looks like bobcat tracks. We've had coyote tracks come through, some in the alley between houses here, and boy, we got some decent snow here. It's just a little blanket. In the DFW area, you don't get much snow. Here go those tracks again. There's a couple of little stray cats here and there, but those definitely look like bobcat tracks. Anyway, when I lived in Amarillo, we get snow all the time. This morning it was 5 degrees, and over here it was 21. But Amarillo is also, I think I said 1,500 foot difference. It's actually like almost 2,900 foot difference. So I'm just out here checking it out. See what things look like. Ooh, that's a cold north wind. Oh man. Oof, burr, burr, burr. Well, it looks pretty cool. There's so much ice on these trees. It's a lot of weight. I don't want to knock anything down, break a limb or two. Man, it looks pretty out here. So definitely no fishing this weekend. Actually, maybe Saturday. If we get back up into the 50s, then I might be able to. Definitely maybe Sunday. But there was a snow day for today, Thursday, and tomorrow, Friday. And you know the kids are loving that. Yeah, the camera's probably picking up all the wind. I don't have the dead cat on it. I saw something running over there. Was it a rabbit? In between the houses. That one's got a fence. The juncos are all out. The cardinals are out. See, walking under something like this freaks me out. With all that weight from the ice, ooh, that could just break and pow. Out go the lights. Oh yeah, check this out. See how this one's already broken? Ooh. Well, I'm getting over here in the street. Check that out, guys. Look how those limbs broke. Holy cow. Well, you can hear the snap, crackle, pop when the wind blows up in those branches. Had to turn the camera off. Somebody was asking me, hey, what are you doing out there? And I was talking to him about the weather for a little bit. Now there's cat prints there. Little bitty. It's around the corner we go. Oh, look at that, guys. There's another limb that's down. Well, I had a phone call, but we rounded the corner. We're heading to the home stretch. Checking things out. Look at these trees. Ooh. Yeah. I don't know if it makes a difference if it's a softwood or a hardwood holding up the ice. What do you guys think? Drop a comment in there. See, last year during the vortex, the pecan in the backyard did fine. The oak out front was fine. But maybe what I'm seeing are these softwoods that have got busted up. I don't know. I just want to get out here and do a quick walk. It's nice to get some exercise. I miss this weather from living up in the panhandle of Texas, up in Amarillo. We just don't get it here that often. Oh, be careful here. Look at this guy. Holy cow. That's a lot of weight. I may go around him. Let me make sure I got my footing. Look at that, guys. Look at all that moisture up there. Ice. Whew. Okay. We can get back on the main drag here. All right, guys, I'm risking it. Here's our big oak. Take a look at that. That's a hell of a lot of ice. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I just want to get out and patrol around and see what was going on. Pretty interesting. Hope you guys are able to get some fishing in this winter. Ooh, there's a tree down there with some down limbs, a couple of them. Hopefully I'll be back out there fishing here pretty soon. Hey, if you're new to the channel, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate all the support and for hanging around for all my crazy adventures and stuff like this. Going out here and checking on things. And of course the fishing adventures. I've got some orders coming in and I'll do an update on those. And I've got some other cool stuff that came in that is pretty interesting. It's going to be a game changer for me this summer. So I'll go over that probably in the next day or two. I'll make a video on the new gear that's coming in. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.